Ebushafo na ye chacha obi biara esanso ema ahwefo etifo adofo nyina na akwaba edeba Attention TV. So your only inspirational YouTube channel. I brasa kwanso ba yen channel no so na say you are new to the channel na say wonya subscribe ya mesra so brasa kwanso bon homo de na subscribe kama emfa ema send be ya ye na video fofo nya betudwa pe ubenya nkai bo na wo so ba channel so abehwe be kama ama wo so mu ne eko ene ne eba wo man Ghana mo ene amahodo so yenkuto ana eto yen semtrofo epete o man Ghana mo epoye etifi anafo ene atoye send be ya ensema eko koso e wo man Ghana mo omode emu no kore eba ebebre send be yen so ye de ba besom ya hwefo yetifo ene yen adofo enyina de buchafo ene asembe ana mewo ede emamo no ebuchafo na ne tense ene na ma abefo ntintan kese so ana ekumu se video bi edi atrenche e wo social media so anya asem ketwa na nepa hodo o manya video ni bi ahwen bebre na ana wo mo kasa bebre na so na wo mo comment ede afa video ho enya asem ketwa ne nyina ene se ababa wa ne din eye Abena Korkor de nsem bi ababetudwa e wo social media so ebuchafo etwetwe aso eyi papa na ne tense Abena Korkor echirem okopiem e wo Kolebu teaching hospital a Kolebu teaching hospital anase Kolebu ayade sabia na ne yetense okoho senka okoye massage kakra na ebre okopiem e wo ababa we bia ye assign no se wono embe massage ono Abena Korkor na ne tense ebre massage ne kokoso ana ababa we sebi ebusafo mumfa ncheme ababa we de nsa ehihyehe ono Abena Korkor na se enya asem keto na abawo nhyade se omiemiam soso ne nufumu e de nsa ehihye na kosio kumemu enya asem keto eno nam so ama Abena Korkor di sansemi ababetu social media so enya asem keto na ensem ahodo a Abena Korkor aka e de afa sansemu ebusafo enya asem keto yenko TV na yembra.
Apart from brain and mind clinic, I was also admitted to the Kolebu teaching hospital. Bipolar medication really makes you hyper. I was on lithium at that point in time and I was very hyper. I'll be moving around a lot, lifting things because I have hyperactivity. It gave me a lot of bodily pain. I told the nurses in charge and they recommended one male nurse to massage me. In the process of massaging me, this male nurse inserted his hands into my vagina. I reported it to another nurse. Up till now, this nurse is still attending to mental health patients at Kolebu Ward M. The name of the nurse is Mikwe, and he's the president of the Nursing Association. If the people that we have been who are supposed to take care of us take advantage of us, how will mental health patients go to the hospital? Kolebu Ward M. Professor Angela, you've been in charge of that department. Professor Sami Ohene, yes, some of your nurses abuse your patients. That's why we don't come. That's why I don't come for review. For a very long time, I've been processing, what has been going on in my life. And sometimes, I'm sad about it. Sometimes, I ask God why. And I deal with that every day. But this morning, this is what I want to address. The last time when I was in the hospital, I was actually sexually, abused by a security personnel at the hospital. This hospital is brain and mind clinic. Ethically, when any member of a medical institution engages a patient sexually, it is a crime. According to the human rights, quality rights protecting persons with mental health problems, it is a crime. And it was a duty of the hospital to have reported it. From the owner, Dr. Infodjo, to the head nurse, all other people, board chairman and all of that, they didn't do anything. The owner of the security agency, they didn't do anything. They just laid him off. And this guy still has the guts to contact me for money.
Ebusa for sa pepe anate ha na mede ensem nyina ebesi edi amomya mede ensem yebra mede ara NGERING makram.